Hello, this is Karina living Lean Six Sigma. I'm also known as Karina L6S or Karina 6S or Karina Success. This is my mini series on UAS safety, PPE. All right, first let's talk about sun protection. Make sure you have sun protection. The hat game is real. Don't forget your safety vest. You want them to see you. And if you're flying out in public areas where there's traffic or pedestrians, make sure you lay out your landing and operation area. Drones out, cones out, as I say. And all right, have your landing pad out, drones out, cones out. You want to mark off your operational area. Make sure pedestrians don't come walking through. The one I get most people on is eye protection. I highly recommend you get projectile proof eye protection. All right, thanks again for watching Karina on Living Lean Six Sigma or Karina Success. So I feel like that's a lot. I need to work on this. All right, thanks again folks. See you in the next video.